I want to ask something because sometimes you think, oh, 8 years, you're going to be a pro, you're never going to make a mistake.
Right.
But I do want to show you something because you yourself have referred to your show as a mess. And I think you use that
mess.
lovingly.
Yes.
But lovingly.
Yes. Yes.
And this is a moment that I would say fits into that description. Let's take a look real quick.
And then she wanted to burn sage in it so that, you know, well, people do that. Oh, excuse me. Oh.
So what happened? You fully burped on the fly?
Yes.
Yeah.
But you know what that's like when you talk and then you inhale air.
Yeah.
And then you burp.
Well, no, I don't, because
You're civilized.
I do the same thing as you.
You're not from Jersey, are you?
Yeah, that's true. Oh, is it the Jersey air? Yeah.
Love to Jersey, but we sometimes are very tacky.
Right.
In a loving way.
Well, at least it only happened once. Oh, wait.
Oh, when you step in the building, you add more cachet to everything else going on. Now, Jen was in the color purple. Oh.
You have to stop taking air in that fast.
No, because if I stop, then that means, like, I have an hour to fill.
Oh, yeah.
You know, and I have to talk for that hour.
Well,
So,
you do a good job.
thank you, Seth.
Now, you obviously, Wendy watchers, right? That's
Yes.
what your fans
Yes.
are. And I assume you are someone that they must approach constantly. Do you have rules for your fans when they see you in the street?
Only one.
What's that?
No pictures.
No pictures?
No.
Why do you not like pictures?
Because I'm a bit of a germaphobe.
Uh-huh.
And also...
So you don't want them next to you?
Right.
Yeah.
Well, no. I don't want you next to me.
Okay.
I might have SARS or
Okay.
tuberculosis.
Gotcha.
Or something.
Well, I wish you'd said this before you came out and I kissed you twice on the cheeks. We had a whole moment over there where if there was SARS, we both have it.
Well,
Yeah.
here's my thing. If I cough on you, you get me.
Right.
If you cough on me, I get you.
Yeah.
If your necklace gets caught in my wig, I'm snatched bald.
Right.
And also, I'm taller than most. I'm 5'11", but
Yeah.
I have on 4-inch heels. That
Right.
makes me 6'3".
Yeah.
A lot of times, people are so much shorter than me, they want to lay on my boobs.
They want to lay, like, their whole body lay on them, or like this?
People can
like that?
Like people don't know what to do with
They
their
just
hands
don't
or
know
their
what to
head.
do.
And
So you don't want that?
No,
Okay.
no. So I don't take pictures as a rule, and I've said this on my show. But what I do is I leave you feeling good about yourself. Like, Seth, your eyes are beautiful.
Thank you.
And
you know
your
what?
hair is gorgeous.
Thank you. I don't need a picture anymore because I feel good.
Exactly, exactly. And that's my tactic.
That's very good.
Yes,
I'm going to try that.